See my plates here. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and weld a crossbar from here over to here, and that's going to be the first part of my jig.
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
So you can see my reference point there, the small pill-shaped opening, and underneath is just a big square. So I need to keep this here so I know relatively where to put our crossbar. Now we've got all of this adjustability, and the fender has adjustability on the y-axis. So we have x-axis and y-axis adjustability. So I don't need to get this dead nuts on within 1,000 or something like crazy like that, because we have plenty of adjustability. This is just for general reference. Just that point there.
Now I see truth, yeah, the lies and in between.
So you can see my reference mark here, which is the center of our fender mounting point. I'm going to take that plate off, so now you can see it's got a huge opening underneath there that I can't reference off of. But now, this is kind of nice, this plate here, because I might be able to put my support in here, and this is going to hold my support where it needs to be held at the correct elevation. So let's throw that in there and see what happens.
Change a thing, don't bring you back. Blue on black.
See This is our original fender mounting point here. And when I designed the new core support, I designed the mounting point into the core support in the exact position where it is. So you can see there's this one and this one here. Well, I've got the phone out. This is the new support that I've been making. Fully welded, metal finished, nice and clean. No mounting points that aren't needed. A lot of the mounting points on the OEM core support we're not going to need them anymore, and it looks like garbage basically. It's going to look like garbage when you take into consideration the way the exterior of this vehicle is going to look. Close-up video for you guys, so you could see. Obviously the horns really didn't move that much, but this is going to give me a platform to weld the new core support onto, or tack it, should I say, tack the new core support. All of this is going to be modified at some point, but I need to get the core support on here so that I can design the lower vertical bars and the lower bar for the radiator and all the other stuff that's going to live here with the radiator, the turbo piping, the cool side that'll go down here, and we've got to, all of this is going to go away, all this garbage, and we're going to just blend this end of this Roadster Shop chassis into the support that I'm going to fabricate here. You can see my reference lined up there. And lined up there. It's nice and lined up with the old rail. An old rail here. That's kind of the new profile. She's looking good. You can actually see the old witness marks there, right where we need to be, which is a good sign. Obviously we're sitting the fender on my jig right now, but when that goes away, it will be golden. Yeah, it's really nice to see.